Daisies, welcome back to my video. So today we are back to the bathroom. The holiday season is over with, and so I'm ready to get back to the bathroom, share basically the process. And I wanted to have a lot of it already done so that I could just pretty much put everything out, because I know you've been waiting. I started the process in the midst of quarantine as far as painting everything. I'm gonna leave the link to that video down below, or either at the end of the video for those of you who have not seen what my bathroom looked like before in the process of me painting it and doing everything to basically turn it black and white. So the vibe that I'm going with in here, I want it to be very peaceful, very simple, really simplistic, minimal, earthy wood tones, black and white, and lots of plants and greenery. That's like my favorite vibe right now. So I'm going to share with you some things that I purchased for the bathroom, and you will see me add these as we go along throughout the process. I'm going to show you guys, I don't know if you can see the trim, so I don't know, you know what, I'm going to put, I think, part of me doing the trim work at the end of this video, because I was kind of learning it as I was doing it, and it was really hard for me to try to film everything and do like a step-by-step thing of me doing the trim in here. You know, to put it into a separate video, because I really don't think it's like a how-to type of thing, at least not for the bathroom. It's my first time doing trim. So I'm gonna put that at the end of this video once I show you everything that I picked up so far for the space. And then you can see how I got the trim molding up on the wall. All right, so we're gonna start off with the first thing, which is plants. I love artificial plants right now. I love live plants, but I cannot keep live plants. I don't have a green thumb, y'all. They die. So we're gonna keep it artificial up in here. So I got this plant at Target. Love this plant. This plant was, oh, I think I already took the tag off of it because I bought this a couple months ago. I want to say this plant was like 40 bucks. It's really big and it's really pretty. I love these leaves. And so this is the biggest one, and it's actually going to stay right here where you guys see it, which is on the floor in this corner right here. Yeah, love this plant. My favorite one. Another plant I picked up from Target, Project 62. It was 25 bucks. This skinny one, I know where this is gonna go in my bathroom. Y'all feel the vibe. You feel the vibe. I love it. So yeah, it's just a faux plant. Like I said, really pretty. Another one I got, this one came from Home Goods. It's a small one. It was, I think, $12.99. Has the black ceramic. Love the wood part at the bottom. Very earthy, neutral tone, and then a little pop of greenery at the top. So it's all plant vibes up in here, okay? It's gonna feel really spa-like and just serene. That's really what I'm going for. And even not having it fully decorated yet, just having everything out, I just feel so like peaceful in here, you know? Light me some aromatherapy candles. I'm getting there, y'all. Okay, so that's all for my plant vibes right now. I picked this up, where did I get this? Marshall's. Cute little, I don't know if I want to put towels in here or have like a plant hanging out of it, but it's gonna go on the wall. It has the gold at the top because it's black. Yeah, gold is my main accent color in the bathroom. But I love this little thing right here. I think that's a planter. Anyway, this picture here came from Ross. It is beautiful black, white. I think it actually has a little bit of silver gray in it, gray tone in it too. It's like a splash of paint. Beautiful. I absolutely love it. This is going in here. Oh, I love this painting, guys. And it wasn't even that expensive. 30 bucks. Beautiful. Well, okay, so at Target, this is also Project 62. I got this from Target. This is a threshold storage basket. Black. I love this. going around it. Beautiful, beautiful. It goes really good. I think wherever I have this, I may put this. These go really great together. Don't know yet, we will see. But I love this. I saw it and I was like, yes, that is the vibe. I don't know, I think I was actually vlogging when I bought this. So you guys probably saw me pick this up actually, and you saw my reaction when I saw it. Wall shelf. I saw this. I don't know if this either came from Burlington or Home Goods, guys. I love this. So I like anything that allows you to add, you know, little things where you can decorate the shelves. So I have 4 shelves that I can style here, but as you can see, it is round and it has the beautiful wood earthy tone in the middle. In love, y'all. In love with this. I'm in love with this whole vibe. And I know I keep saying that, but y'all, I like really am. Okay, it's gonna stay still. Okay, got you. Okay, so Hobby Lobby candles. A lot of times I get my candles from Hobby Lobby at Home Store, Home Goods, Bath and Body Works, you guys know. But these candles in particular are different, and I'm not gonna burn them, but I'm gonna show you. Y'all, it came in a set of 3. So it's 3 different sizes. Do you guys see this? I hope it zooms in on the details so you can really see the detail. You see that? It almost looks like a concrete slab at the bottom. It looks very concrete, marble-ish. And then the candle is at the top. But I have 2 of them right here. 2 different sizes. I actually have 3. The third one's there, but you know, girls only got 2 hands. So, yeah. Aren't they beautiful? So I really want a tray, which I haven't found yet, to put these in as a set of 3. And I love the vibe. Like I say, I don't think I'm gonna burn them because they're different and I don't want them to, you know, dwindle. Ooh, girl. I don't want them to dwindle down or anything like that. So let me see. All right. So this is the smaller one right here. So this is the smaller one next to the medium size. So this is going to be a set of 3. All right. I also picked up a mirror from Project 62 Target. I will show you guys that separately because if I show you a mirror, then it's just going to reflect, you know. But I love the mirror. I love the whole circle. I love the whole circular vibe of things. Now with the mirrors, they're really just simple, really sleek, just keeping everything minimal, you know. Last but not least, for the bathroom, y'all, when I say it has taken me some time to work on this space, but when I say I'm in love with like every piece of it, I am. This wallpaper, y'all. Here's my wallpaper. I am in love with this wallpaper. So it's almost a marble-like wallpaper, but it's black, white, gold, and champagne. I think it actually has a little bit of gray silver in it, so it kind of helps me be able to mix metal if I need to mix metal. You know, it's not all, you know, all gold and all silver. It goes perfect with the picture that I showed you guys. So look, y'all see that? Zoom in, get your life. It is so beautiful, guys. So this is peel and stick. I purposely got peel and stick because I want to do it myself, because you guys know this is a DIY renovation bathroom project. Every piece of it I'm doing myself, I think, except for the backsplash. I still have to do backsplash around the tub, but I'm gonna pay my contractor to do that part. I just, you know, he should do that. So yeah, at least right now I'm thinking I'm gonna let him do this. But this wallpaper, I got 2 rolls. This wallpaper came from Decor, and part of the reason why it's taking so long too is because it took me 3 months to get this wallpaper, y'all. To the point I had actually almost forgot that I ordered it. It came and just showed up one day and I was like, oh yeah, the wallpaper for the bathroom. So what I ordered from them, again, I don't know, I really have to pay attention to what the turnaround time is, because if I really was working on a project or a client space or something like that and it took 3 months, that would have been a no-go. But I've been taking my time. It's been quarantine anyway, so hey, whatever. But I love it. I have 2 rolls, and I'm gonna work on putting this on the solid wall over here. This is where this is gonna go. So guys, that's everything I have for my bathroom so far. Of course, I'm still adding things to it, but it's gonna be really simple. It's not gonna be a lot of stuff because I do not want a lot of stuff in this bathroom, okay? I don't want clutter, and the more clutter you have, the more you have to clean. I don't know if you guys heard the garage or not. That was the garage coming up. But anyway, so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna put the trim, I'm gonna go ahead on and show you guys what the trim work was like with me getting that up on the wall. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. I hope everyone is having an amazing new year so far, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye guys.